Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about Framer AI, how to use new Framer AI tool, which is a cool website creation tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today, we've got something exciting to dive into. We're going to explore the all-new Framer AI tool, which is going to revolutionize the way you create website. But first, let's talk a bit about Framer itself. So for those of you who might be not familiar, Framer is a fantastic web design and prototyping tool that's been gaining popularity among designers and developers. So it is actually known for its user-friendly interface and powerful feature. And now let's get on to the star of the show, which is this Framer AI. So this is actually the latest addition to Framer's toolkit, and here's how to make a website creation smoother and more efficient than ever before. You'll just need to head on to framer.com or simply type in Framer onto your local browser and you should be redirected onto this page. Right after, here onto the upper part, you have the option to log in and sign up for your Framer account. Then you should be able to see the screen in here wherein it welcome you to Framer. So you have two options wherein you could continue with Google or continue with email. But personally, I mainly use with this continue with Google so that I don't have to memorize all of my usernames and password. What I'll just need to do is simply click onto that, choose a Google account that is associated with my Framer account. And then right after, you should be able to see the Framer's dashboard. Now, this is what the Framer's dashboard looks like. Here onto the upper part, you could see your account settings. You could change it to day mode, desktop app, start the app tour, import from Figma, hide get started, homepage, or request support community. So as you can see in here, you could actually import your files from Figma. Then here onto the middle part, you have your team. You can see all of the files that you've shared within your team, the templates, archive the new folder, and the team settings, wherein you could invite members, copy invite link, and create a new folder. So you could also create a new team here onto the lower part, and here onto the middle, you could see your recent creations that I did onto my Framer account. So you have the option in here to utilize the search bar, or you could filter it out as last viewed by me, last edited, and alphabetically. You could also view it onto list mode in here, and you could click onto this new to create a new project. But as you can see, we have here shining into the get started, the feature that we're going to use. So this is to start with AI. We also have here the HTML to Framer, paste from Figma, and watch tutorials to learn the basics. So let's talk first on how this one works. So let's click onto that. So Framer AI is actually designed to help you streamline the web design process. So it is like having an intelligent assistant by your side. Imagine importing your designs directly from Figma with just one click, and you could also type in some prompts. So this feature saves you precious time and ensures your designs are pixel perfect when they come into Framer. So once you're in, you'd be able to see an interactive app tour by clicking this play button. So we could skip onto that, simply click the three dots and active tutorial. Now, as you can see in here, we have here a white canvas. So for us to be able to get started, we'll just need to simply click this feature in here, which is Framer AI. And then right after, you should be able to see this pop-up screen in here. So as of the moment, we are currently looking at examples on what you should be doing or what you should be typing onto this specific pop-up screen so that we could generate a website. Now, as you can see in here, I have pasted a guide onto what I usually type in into prompts like this so that AI like Framer's AI can understand it in simple terms what we want to achieve onto our website creation. So as you can see in here, design a type of website. So we'll just need to input a type of website in here tailored for target audience. You'll need to specify who your target audience are, ensuring that the design effectively communicates their specific purpose or message. So you'll just need to add in these three things in here so that the AI would understand what you really want to convey or what you want to achieve onto this website creation. So let's try to update the details onto these things. So for a type of website in here, let's try to add in here a flower shop. So design a flower shop website tailored for our target audience should be flower lovers. So we could update this target audience in here. So let's highlight this one out and then change it to flower lovers. ensuring that the design effectively communicates there. So let's type in our purpose in here to effectively showcase our beautiful floral arrangement and capture the essence of nature's beauty. So let's just change this one. So as you can see, we have gone ahead and already added these details in here. Right after, what you'll just need to do is simply click on the start in here, and we'll need to wait for the AI to generate all of our pages in here so that we could customize this one out. Now, as you can see, we have gone ahead and already finished generating our website. So let's try to zoom this one out since we actually have three options in here: the desktop, the tablet, and for the phone. So let's try to focus more on to for the website in here. You'll receive a note actually here onto the right side right after the generation that you have a free AI domain. So your site's looking magical. Let's go live. You get a free Framer AI domain from Framer. So you could pick a custom name and then hit on to publish. So let's just click on not now since as of the moment right now, we'll try to update first the things that we have in here before going live. So here onto the left side, you could actually see the pages, layers, and the assets. So you could try to update using that one. And let's try to click something in here like this. So you actually have the different themes in here. So you could try to shuffle this so that we could try to see some different themes. So as you can see, this one is more colorful. So if you scroll down a little bit also, this one or this text in here, you could update its position, its size, you could add in some effects, styles, and you could see the different text styles in here, the scroll section, the accessibility, code overrides, and the handoffs. And here onto the upper part, here this logo in here, you could actually see the main menu where you can go back to your dashboard, quick actions, you can import some files, edit it, view. You have the tools, layout, text, graphics, component, preview, code preferences, the site settings, the help, and your account. So you actually have the insert button in here, the layout, text, the CMS in action, and as you can see, information is actually automatically updated in here or the title. Then right after, we could try also to view in sub templates that was offered by other creators. So you'll just need to simply click onto new from template in here and you should be able to browse onto the different templates that Framer offers. So they are free websites and they're actually paid ones. So you could choose onto this if you don't want to use that AI feature. So you could just choose onto the different ones that are pre-made, and then the same thing that you'll need to do, you'll just need to update it so that you have a touch of it. Then right after, you have the option in here to invite your team members or invite some people to join this specific website creation. So you'll just need to add in their email in here, or you could copy the link and send it out to them. So let's do a quick preview onto what the website looks like. Now, this is what the website looks like. So we have here some descriptions: nature's finest blooms crafted with love. And if you scroll down here a little bit, you have the showcase in here and explore, when you could see also breathtaking floral designs made with passion. So you could see some designer creations in here and the custom order now and inquire. So the preferred choice for top brands, the petals blossom in natural, and some things in here, and the frequently asked questions. So these are actually all just created with the power of AI. So let's head back onto the editor page. So you actually have also the settings here onto the upper part, wherein you have the homepage settings. You could update the title, update the URL, the page descriptions in here, and you could also update the page images, the custom codes that you want to add. So this will be added to this page only for the home. And also, there are other site settings such as the general, domains, redirect, staging version, analytics, and plan. So feel free to customize all of those things in here to have your website or to achieve what you want to see onto your website and to align it onto what you want to see. And there you have it. You have learned how to use the amazing Framer AI tool to create cool website. So it's all about efficiency, precision, and unleashing your creativity without the hassle. So if you're a web designer or developer, this is a really game changer that you don't want to miss out on. Thank you very much for tuning in today, and you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or want to learn more about Framer, comment it down below onto the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy designing.